Are you ready to elevate your cocktail game with a delightful twist? Let's dive into the world of Earl Grey tea cocktails, a creative and flavorful way to enjoy your favorite tea. Whether you're hosting a gathering or just treating yourself to something special, these 5 recipes are here to impress. Stick around to discover simple yet stunning drinks that will make your taste buds dance. Earl Grey tea is beloved for its fragrant bergamot aroma, but have you ever thought of infusing that signature flavor into cocktails? The challenge lies in balancing the tea's subtle notes with other ingredients to craft beverages that are truly unforgettable. From sweet and citrusy to bold and boozy, we've curated recipes for every palate. Let's break it down step by step. First, start with the classic Earl Grey Gin Sour. This smooth blend of gin, Earl Grey tea syrup, and fresh lemon juice is both refreshing and elegant. Next, the Earl Grey Martini combines vodka, orange liqueur, and chilled tea for a modern twist. For those who enjoy creamy cocktails, the Earl Grey White Russian adds a velvety touch with coffee, liqueur, and cream. The fourth recipe, Earl Grey Old Fashioned, is a robust option featuring bourbon and a hint of vanilla. Finally, the Earl Grey Sparkler is perfect for celebrations, combining chilled tea with sparkling wine and a dash of honey. Here's the key: the secret to these recipes is preparation. Brew your tea just right, strong but not bitter, and use high-quality spirits for the best results. Infusing syrups or spirits with Earl Grey takes your cocktails to a new level of sophistication. Play with garnishes like orange peels or edible flowers for extra flair. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust the flavors to your liking. These 5 cocktails are proof that tea and alcohol can be a match made in heaven. Whether you're new to mixing drinks or an experienced enthusiast, Earl Grey tea cocktails offer a unique blend of tradition and innovation. Why settle for ordinary drinks when you can create something extraordinary? If you enjoyed these recipes, make sure to share your favorite with us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative drink ideas. Ready to impress your friends and family with your bartending skills? Give these cocktails a try today.